Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Let's fly like a bird. In this video, I am going to tell you about the real history of Nandini, Chandragupta Maurya's wife. Before going to the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's fly like a bird. Thank you. Queen Nandini or Niadrus in Greek version is considered as the princess of Nanda clan dynasty. Nanda dynasty was founded by Nanda. Nandini is the daughter of Nanda dynasty. Queen Nandini was one of the three daughters of Dhanananda, the ruler of Great Nanda dynasty, which ruled northern India around 323 BC. According to the reference in Jain literature, Queen Nandini was married to Chandragupta Maurya as a war compensation, and Dhanananda was sent to exile in the forest, become a Jain monk. According to Megasthenes reference from Indica, Greek Indica, Niadrus was found an explanatory warrior and a great leader. Niadrus was the eldest of all descendants of Dhanananda. Niadrus was also the advisor of Militia and an able army commander. Niadrus had a fleet of 2,000 elephants and 4,000 chariots. Queen Nandini, Queen Niadrus or Nandavanshan Nandini, treaty of marriage with Chandragupta Maurya. According to Chandragupta Maurya, around 323 BC, Chandragupta Maurya was looking for support to fight against Alexander. Chandragupta got support from parvateshwar, porus, rule of Punjab, but ruler Dhananand did not support Chandragupta and ridiculed him. This got Chandragupta Maurya to prepare an overthrow in Nanda dynasty. Chandragupta had a great clash with Nandini. The Fourth Day War ended with the treaty as Nandini agreed to marry Chandragupta Maurya in a pardon for Dhanananda's life, who was under 2-month-old captivity of Mauryans. Jatin Bhaskar's book Ancient Indian Dynasty said Nanda was royal barber of Magad. He had an illegal affair with Magad king Paspak. Suryagupta and King Paspak was a great friendship. Queen Niadrus visit Helena. Around 322 BC, after the death of Alexander the Great, Greeks had started retreating from Asia, leaving behind a bunch of Indo-Greek kingdoms. One of the kingdoms being ruled by Seleucus Nicator, a Macedonian satrap of Alexander. Seleucus Nicator involved himself in a peace treaty with Maurya dynasty and married his daughter Eleanor or Deirdre or Deirdre with Chandragupta. Chandragupta favored this Greek boy over his first wife Niadrus. Nandini, who was already led down by Chandragupta, overthrowing her father Dhanananda from the throne, was now furious. Niadrus' child, Emperor Bindusar, and Erona's child, Prince Justin Maurya. Niadrus was being dead for giving birth. Bindusara got poisoned and Deirdre was dead penitently against the cool teen Ashoka. Deirdre wanted Prince Justin's son Siamak for next after Bindusara, but Ashoka killed 99 brothers for gain the throne. His mother Devi Dharma and Emperor Bindusara, all the killing plans were made by his son Prince Sujak and Jayadang. Chanakya wanted Bindusara to next reign for Magadha, but Chandragupta favored Deirdre and he wanted Justin for the next reign. The subjects of Magadha as well as the whole India would not accept Justin for the next Mauryan emperor. Some historians guess Chandragupta left the palace for this reason and lived in forest. Queen Nandini conversation to Jainism and later life. From Indo-Greek fallacy by Robert Dickens. Some historians said alternative commands it is depicted that Nandini or Niadrus poisoned Deirdre, which caused her death. Nandini was prisoned by Chandragupta and later pardoned in her old age. Nandini also converted to a Jain Arkela in later life. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's fly like a bird. If you want to get more updates about this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.